Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Right now, Bitcoin is definitely pulling some triggers and it's causing a little bit of uncertainty in the entire market. As we're trying to stay above the price of 96,000, there is a really strong demand zone at 92,800, but we definitely do not want to try that one. But as we're staying over the price of 96,000, you can see that the meme coins are starting to do some crazy numbers. And that's why Solana and BNB in the last 24 hours have started to climb, because the amount of money flowing through. If you look at the overall meme coins category, it's definitely lacking behind in terms of how well it should be doing, but definitely showing a little bit of a positive trend and is going to be much better in the coming weeks. The reason for this is because April is not too far, and let me tell you one thing: when the market starts climbing, you want to be in a lower cap that's going to do big numbers, and the one I have been looking at is Mind of Pepe. Now this token is going to be huge. Real-time intelligence with a hive mind analysis exclusive access to mind holders, which is going to be the token which I'm talking about. If you want some sort of AI that will be able to help you with trading and it's working perfectly, well, you will need to be a holder of this token. So it gives you perspective or utility of this token. Right now the token is in a pre-sale stage, and just to give you perspective, you do need to get in before the pre-sale comes to an end. Right now they've raised about $5.5 million, as compared to when I made a video about this token a couple of days ago. They've actually already grown quite a significant amount. What is this token about? Well, in simple terms, you already know. It's an advanced AI agent. Mind of Pepe is a self-evolving AI agent that interacts with X and other platforms, generating its own preference and opinion. As Mind of Pepe engages with influencers, shares thoughts on meme coins, and sparks discussions, it naturally gains popularity. Over time, it creates its own tokens and provides exclusive insights to the Mind pre-sale token holders. So you can understand that this token is going to be huge, but even better for the people who get in during the pre-sale, because in the pre-sale holders, they will be able to get access to the advanced AI agent. The Mind of Pepe advantage. Well, the best thing about this algorithm is it's going to be interacting with Twitter. It's going to be interacting with platforms which, you know, pretty much get the memes running, and whatever meme is getting very popular, that meme is usually the one that blows up. So that's why this token is going to collaborate very well. On the other end, this is their tokenomics: 25% to the AI agent, 20% to marketing, 15% to rewards, 30% to development, and 10% to exchanges. And if you do decide to purchase it, you can actually go ahead and stake it away right now for 412% return per annum. That's a pretty good deal, that's what I'm going to say. But as more and more people are going to be buying into the token, obviously this number will be coming down slowly. Their Twitter has about 17,000 followers, so they're growing very rapidly, with the post reaching nearly 100,000 views. So there will be a lot of whales that will be trying to snipe, trying to pay attention to this token, as well as making sure that they're able to make profit from it. With 3,000 subscribers on Telegram. It's already been audited by 2 different companies. This is because it's in a pre-sale stage right now. Once the pre-sale comes to an end, they will be able to remove that so they can fully audit the overall project. And there's another company that's also given it a very good rating. So 2 different companies have already audited it. Everything is working perfectly, and at the end of the day, this is also connected to a meme, which is Pepe. I mean, AI and meme coming together, you guys know, is usually a very good recipe in crypto to do extremely good numbers. At the end of the day, this is a meme coin, so this is not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your own research before you put your money into anything. And if you do want to purchase it, all you simply have to do is go to the link in the description. It will bring you to this website. You guys can select to buy with card or crypto. Once you have clicked on it, you can just select what wallet you want to connect. Once you have connected your wallet, you can just decide how much Ethereum or USDT you would like to allocate to AI agent. If you do decide to purchase it, do not forget to stake it away, because I feel like some of you guys do that. And let me tell you one thing, you're just missing out on free tokens, which is obviously going to be valued higher once the token is pretty much launched. And you know what's the best part about the pre-sales right now is, as the market is being volatile, even if we receive a little bit of a pullback, no one will be able to take their money out of a pre-sale. So that means your money will be secured until the pre-sale comes to an end. And most likely teams which have really good understanding like this, they're going to release the token in an up market. So obviously you're going to make good profit. If you do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.